So we Srinu, when we write a data to the CSV file, there is a blank row is generating between two rows. Wiser. See students, when we are entering the data, we are pressing one enter key, right? That enter key will be taken as what? Back. Don't sit in the middle. Either sit this side or this side. Not like that. Uniform. Every to sit there, sit. Or you want to sit this side, you sit. That's all. Not odd man out. Okay? Fine. So coming to the point of it, when we press enter key, that will be taken as what? \n. Okay? I hope you understand. That day only we addressed that point. Okay? I hope we Srinu, you understand that point. I hope so. So let me move to the continuation part of our class. Right. So next, sir, then how to write with no blank rows? You can get it in our Python. We can read in the list. We can read the total values in list, and we can print with the end is equal to without space. You know that coding already class. You can read that and values into list, and you can print without space. With the Python coding, you can do that. I hope you already done. We already done in the class. You can create in Oracle. You can create through Python. You cannot create because Python never offers on other softwares. It cannot dominate. You have seen in OS module. OS module never delete the files of the folder which contains files. I hope you are not getting. OS dot RMDIR of what folder name? What is the condition there? Folder should be empty. Then only we can remove. But when you go to OS with OS commands you can remove what? Complete directory which contains files. Shift Control Delete. It is removed. Shift Delete. File will be removed or not? Directory will be removed. Folders removed. But with Python, any language, not only Python, with any language, you cannot do the operations of other products, username, password, security kind of things you cannot change through Python coding. Python is better. If you go to Java, Oracle people did not give permission for Java people to create a table even. You cannot create a table even with Java programming, with JDBC. Python people are still supporting that type of things. So I hope you understand that point. Okay. So let me go to the further. I'll go for continuation part of our session. Then Chandu, I will speak your doubt at the end of the class, my dear student. At the end of the class, my dear student, I will take care. That's what I'm saying. Regarding the Oracle installation, I told you 10 days back only. Take software properly. Okay. So let me continue the discussion now. Oracle. Go to this place. DDL types of queries you see. Types of queries you see. Within that we completed what? DDL. Now we are entering into what today? DML. What is DML? Great knowledge. So DML operations will allow us to insert the records, delete the records, update the records. What is that? Yes. Your Oracle faculty must say that answer. Oracle, that is every table is an object, right? Now you say, you take my Python question. L is equal to list of. What is L? Silence. You are my Python student. I am your teacher. What is L? Which class? Now you ask the same question to your Oracle faculty. What is student in our Oracle table? Every table in Oracle is what? Every table in Oracle is what? Object. What is an object of that? Who need to tell? Python faculty will not tell. Who will tell? Oracle faculty has to tell. If they did not tell, I will tell you. Because whoops in Oracle is also there. ORDBMS, right? RDBMS, ORDBMS, OORDBMS is there. They need to explain the differences between all these things. When you go to an interview, first question, what is the difference between DBMS and RDBMS? Your charging will be over. Not even two differences you can say. But every course is over. MCA over, MTech over, BTech over, all techs over. But there is no tech in you. What is the difference between RDBMS and ORDBMS? What is the difference between RDBMS, ORDBMS, OORDBMS? What are the whoops in Oracle? What are the advantages of whoops? Why whoops in Oracle? You must know all these things. The basics. Select star from employee, select star from delete department. That is not simple, that is. You must understand, when you are learning some you enter into R&D level subject. To answer your question, Oracle related question, I have to explain what is the importance of class and object in Oracle. I have to explain minimum 45 minutes to make you to understand Oracle objects. Your sequence, your views, your materialized views, all called what? Concepts. Internally they are treated as what? Objects. Right? Python and CX underscore Oracle module. Already we told the module that will establish the bridge between what? Our Python and Oracle. You are there. I am there. Who is an interface between you and me? You don't know me, I don't know you. Who are the interface? Naresh IT. Naresh IT is module. We established an interface between you and me. Python is separate, Oracle is separate. Who is making friend of both of them? CX underscore Oracle. Already we shown you CX underscore Oracle is Python interface to Oracle. Server, no. Oracle itself is called server database. Every database is called one server. Oracle people are calling. Actually, Oracle is called Oracle server database. No, speaking is not at all related. Oracle is called what? It is a server database. Localhost is nothing but a machine name. In that machine, our database is installed. IP address of the machine you need to pass it. If the database is residing in some other location. I told already, when you are working in company, your database is available in one location. Multiple people are database in every individual machine. They will install the database in one place. That IP address of the machine, we will use it into separate applications. Okay, na? So already we addressed in the class. Next, go to DML operations. Look at that. Go to Oracle once now. Because if you have the complete clarity on the subject now, you will connect to the subject easily. See, if anybody talk about the Python, you will easily connect to them. Why? Because you are having complete clarity on Python. You are having lot of doubts in your Oracle. I am not asking questions in Oracle. If I ask questions in Oracle now, you will cry in front of me. Definitely I will make you to cry. Who knows Oracle here, you tell me? Within 10, I will ask 10 questions, 11th question you will cry. Your face is dull. Who knows Oracle here? Yes. You will fear a lot. Yes. I know. Who knows Oracle here? Girls and boys I know. But you will not raise the hand. Fine. But all Amirpet courses will complete. But guts is not there. But you go to Python, you will say, ask any question. It will be from my notes. You might, even though you did not prepare, but every question will come from my notes only. Like the solid subject has to explain. Solid subject. And student don't know the solid subject. Faculty should have that commitment and dedication. Should not work for commercial. Teacher is only the very good job to shape the people world of to these are the assets of the people. Okay, now if a doctor is also commercial, lawyer is also commercial, everybody is commercial, only teacher is not commercial. And a good teacher, Sam talk, I think you know this, because all the way I talked about something else. Okay, students, anyhow, take care, because we cannot change everybody. But when it comes to my circumstance, my purview, at least from my side, I want to give full dedication in my subject. Whatever subject I handle, I'll give full length explanation, which is, I also will have some boundary. Python course means Python course speak. I cannot come out of it, I cannot go out of it. When I'm explaining pandas, I can related algorithms I can explain. Decision tree is there. Random forest algorithms are there. K-mean algorithms are there. AI models are there. I can speak, I can explain, but I cannot. I have to speak. Boundary is there for me. That will have boundary. That boundary to speak. Okay. Anyhow, I will continue. Shall I? Good. Yesterday's class, online students, I hope I'm you. So, Chandu, regarding your Oracle related problem, I'll speak at the end. Online students, now I will continue this. So, offline students, online students are so many absent. Only 2,600 people are absent. I don't know where they went off. Where they went off? Underground. Already they are in underground only. For last week onwards, they are in underground only. Okay, let me be. So coming to point back, yesterday's class we discussed DESE. What is our topic number? Employee. Today's class is most useful. Okay, I did not connect. What is the username? System. What is the password? Manager here. So it is connected. And right now, see that. Select star from DESE, DE employee. Today's class is very, very important. What is that? Yesterday's table created or not? Employee number, employee name, and then company name. So today I need to insert the data or not? See, select star from employee. Don't worry about this word. I will explain that select word, because that is comes under what? DRL. See students, I don't mind to explain Oracle. Even though I am not a Oracle faculty, I will explain Oracle for 5 months. 5 months I will explain. 5 months. Even if you permit me, I will explain 7 months also. I am not a Oracle faculty. I will explain. 7 months I will explain. But subject is power. That subject must be there. Correct? Well, so coming to the point back. Now, here I want to insert the data. To insert the data, to create a table, what is the command? Query create. What is the command for changing the column sizes? Alter with add. Modify. To add new columns, alter with, good. To drop the table, drop table name. Don't say create a alter. Syntax is important. Now today I want to insert the data or not? See how simple it is. You don't know Oracle, but you remember this enough. Insert into employee. Insert into employee. What is insert? Is a keyword. What is into? Is a keyword. Employee is called your table name. Right? You may feel sir did not explain Oracle course. Even though you learned Oracle, some disappointment is there by seeing my questions. You attend any interview, these questions only will come. Explain about select statement, insert statement, they won't ask. First question they will ask you, explain the importance of normalization in database. Normalization. Nobody will explain. This is coming in your academics. Electronic students don't know. Mechanical students don't know. But when you joined Oracle course, they need to talk about what? Normalization. What is the need of table, first of all? When I am going to ICICI banking, when I am developing ICICI banking software, my front end language is Python, back end is what? Oracle. I need to create tables. Customers table, depositors table, borrowers table, credit card holders table, bank employees table. Every bank, some of the bank employees may be customers of the same branch. What is the relation between tables? One-to-one mapping, one-to-many mapping, many-to-one mapping. Oh, I know that already. Subject is power. You learn R&D level. Don't learn like a data entry operators. So, that's why subject is power. Now, come to the point. Insert into employee. What I am saying now? Values. What I am inserting? Values. Insert into employee values. Your table name should be proper. And open this. What should I pass it? Pass ENO, pass E-name, pass salary, pass a C-name. Look at that. 10. Listen now. First listen. 10, comma. What is the next one? Name. Name is which type? Varchar 2. Varchar 2 means what? str type. Which type? str type. str type means in our Python we will write a double quotes. We can write a single quotes. We can write a triple double quotes. We can write what? Triple single quotes. You know the importance of each and okay. In Oracle, we need to use only single quotes. Only single quotes you need to use. So I'm writing RS. Single quote start, single quotes end. I am where? Oracle side. I'm a Oracle faculty now for a few minutes. Comma, comma. Next what? Sal. Of what? 8, comma 2. So salary is called 4.5. Comma. Company name is called what? PSF. Company name is called PSF. Single quotes you need to write PSF. By mistake, if I write double quotes, it will be wrong. Semicolon you need to give. Semicolon. Are you following me? Yes. See that? What is that? Please understand. What is this? That means what is this one? Outcome of it. When this record is inserted successfully, you are getting the outcome of it. What is that? One row created. One row created. What's in the table? Select star from employee. What is this now? Under ENO 10 is there, E name, RS is there, sal, C name. Are you following? Good. Now, record inserted. What is 10? Employee number. What is RS? What is 4.5? What is PSF? Data is very easy because the data is qualified with what? Column names. When you go to files when you go, files does not contain column names except CSV files. That is one of the drawback or not. Files does not contain column names. That's why we are not able to process the data easily. But here I can process the data very easily. I'll tell you so many examples, students. Next. Shall I continue next? Now, this record inserted. Do you think is it inserted permanently or temporarily? Come on. Permanently. Everybody will feel like that. But it is inserted temporarily. I will tell you. One small general knowledge I will tell you. Today I am explaining this concept, correct? Today I am explaining one concept. Today evening will you remember? Thinking. Will you remember? Say, tomorrow evening, half of the students got doubt. Day after tomorrow? No. After 10 days? No. Today, inserted. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow, you are getting a doubt whether we will remember or not. That means it is marked for insertion. It is marked for insertion. After going to home, I will read out once again. That means This is inserted, marked for insertion, but not made permanent. Are you following me? So this record is not inserted permanently. Not inserted. How can you know, sir? This is called one transaction done. We inserted the data, one transaction is done. To check it whether it is inserted permanently or not, I will use one type of rollback. In Oracle, there is called what? Rollback. What is rollback? It's one command. Rollback means what? Redo, undo. Do you know redo and undo? Undo means what? Remove the previous changes. Redo means what? Save the changes. When you say rollback, you say rollback complete. You say select star from employee. What is happening? No rows are there. Permanently or temporarily? Temporarily means marked for insertion. Like that you need to say. Is it permanently inserted or marked for insertion? Insertion. It is something like what? When I explained today, remember, but tomorrow morning, little doubt. Tomorrow evening, little more doubt. Day after tomorrow, completely doubt. That day after tomorrow, you will say, who are you to ask? Who are you, sir, to ask this question? You will say. So now you insert the data. Can I insert the data now? So rollback is used for what? To undo the transaction. Go for once again. Insert the data. One row created or not? One row created or not? Do what now? Earlier you said what? Rollback. Now you are saying what? One more thing. What are you saying? Commit. Commit or commit underscore work. Commit you can say. Commit underscore work also you can say. Commit semicolon. What is that? Commit complete. Commit complete means what? After going to home, you are reading the notes, reading. Today night read, morning also read, afternoon also read, then you never forget. Then see, select star from employee once again. There are not. You say rollback. You say rollback. You say rollback. You read 3 times after going to home. Don't touch the book for 10 days. Still you will remember. See that. Rollback. Do you think that it is remote? No, it is still data is persisting. Commit is used for what? Making difference. Go to once again. Next time I am testing you whether you understand or not. Once again insert. Insert the value 20. Next time I am writing what? TR, Travis. Now I am saying something like 2.5. Now I am saying here NumPy organization. One row created. Say select star from employee. How many records are there? Come on, ma. So 10 RS 4.5 PSF is what? Permanently inserted. 20 TR 2.5 NumPy marked for insertion. Spell out. Is it inserted permanently? No. Marked for? Say what now? Say what now? Rollback you say. Which one is removed? 20th record is removed. See, permanently, first one is permanently available or not? Are you getting? Now, once again you insert. Once again you insert. Now, see that. Now you do what? Commit you say. Commit you say. Commit you say. Commit. Commit work. Commit work. You say. Commit underscore work or commit work you say. Commit work. Now say select star from. Now data is there. You say rollback for your understanding purpose. For your understanding purpose. Rollback. Still rollback was not completed. Am I getting this data or not? Easy or difficult? Easy. Can I go for writing? This is inserted through which program? By directly coming to Oracle environment, I am inserting. When you go to DMart, when you go to shopping malls, any shopping mall, after buying your dresses or some products, the bill counter, people will read with the barcodes and bill is prepared or not. After giving the money, they will save it on somewhere. When you click that details of your transaction will be saved permanently or not? Will be saved permanently. Where they are saving? On the date wise in the database. Why they will save? Because they are giving 1 week period for a transfer, for exchanging. When you go for exchanging, you will carry the bill. In the bill, record number is there, transaction number is there. They will enter the transaction number. They will see what products you buy, what you brought it, is it same or not, they will check. After 1 week, they will go for tuning operations they will do. Database tuning they will do. Database tuning. Do you know database tuning programming? Don't know. Don't know. Then when you go to interview point of view, they will ask these questions. Did you understand? So after 1 week, that will be removed. They will be removed. Because after 10 days, if you show bill date and this date is going to be what? Not possible to exchange. This is all project level things. And is it difficult? No, easy things these are all. That's why practice is required to do it in the class. So, any of the students, now this is inserting records into the table. Shall I start? So, DML operations, what is the DML operation here? Insert. Insert is used for what? Inserting a record into the table. Through what I inserted? Through SQL directly by coming to that. Is DMART clerk will open a SQL prompt? Will he write this code? No. You will just going to take one interface is there. You will go on reading with that and then going on bill is preparing and finally they will say commit. So who will write the code for saving that entire details and putting into that product table or transaction table? Like you, somebody is written a code, right or not? That coding we are writing. Right or not? When you go to KFC, they will take your order, they will take your mobile number, they will take your name and they will put it. Whenever offers are coming, they will send SMS to you. How they will send SMS? Because already your data. What is that concept behind that? Inserting the data. Correct or not? So wherever you go for it, this type of coding is useful to you. Right or not? So wherever, whatever the shopping you do, they are using compulsory what? Database maintenance is compulsory. If they have the software, compulsory data persistence is important. They don't go for with the files. Definitely they will go for what? Database transactions are important. Some language is supposed to use that data what you are giving, they will be storing into the database. What is the comment? What is the command they are using internally? Insert. Okay, na? Shall I go for it now? Go for first time when you are going for Aadhaar registration. When a small kid wants some Aadhaar card details, first time you are going for, you take your own Aadhaar card. First time you gone for it. You are entering all your details or not? Your PIC also entering and that is stored in database or not? So first time entering is called what? Insertion. Next time you are changing your Aadhaar card details also. That is called what? Updation. Correct or not? You are living in Telangana and you have voter list in this and you are shifting your voter from Telangana to Andhra Pradesh. And what the Election Commission of India will do? Remove the data record from where? Telangana voter list and adding to where? So here they will do delete operation. They will do what? Insert operation. Update means existing values you are changing it. All the three programs I will tell you. You open an account in the bank first time. What is that operation? Insert. Next day you are going for depositing the amount. What is that operation? Update. Closing your account. That's all. Simple. Simple. Open the notes. As long as Sari is explaining, very simple. That's why you have to follow the faculty carefully. How he is analyzing, how he is taking, that analysis is very simple. Student will come up like anything. Beginning onwards, good teacher is required. That's all. When you learn C language itself, jobs are there. C language with the data structures, you go for it. In your engineering, get 85%. Directly they will call you. Microsoft people will call you. Microsoft Innovation Center is there. 85% with BTech, 85% with the data structures and algorithms you learn it. You will compulsory get the job. You may have 85%, but you don't know data structures and algorithms completely. Stacks queues everybody knows, but they don't know binary trees, AVL trees, binary search trees, graphs. You don't know that. They will ask that questions only in interview. So lack of knowledge. So write up. Write up. Yes, ma. We Srinu. I will explain, my dear student. I will explain. On insert function. Srinu, you don't excite, ma. On insert na, you see. On insert example, I will tell you static insertion, dynamic insertion, looping insertion, I will tell you. After half an hour, I will call you once again. I will call Mr. Srinu. How is the programming? I will call you. After half an hour, you will say what voice you will say, I will listen. I will make you excellent in that area. So 0 onwards, I will start. I will tell you 3 programs and 4 programs I will tell you. You will say at the end of the class, sir, excellent, you will say. That is our subject. STR we started with single quotes, double quotes, triple quotes. We enter into where slicing, indexing, reversing, right or not? Like that, every topic I will go from 0 level. Everybody has to follow. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will insert employee number, employee name, comma salary, comma designation in employee table of Oracle. Employee table of Oracle. Yes. V Srinu, I will take your doubt, ma. After a few minutes, I will ask you. So don't worry, I'll take the question of it. Okay. So coming to back to the subject. Now I'm going to enter into that. Go to the place and others, Python. I'll go to PyCharm also. I'll do it. So let me give you good visibility purpose. I'll copy the same code into where? PyCharm also. I'll explain. Program for inserting the records in where? Employee table. In where? Oracle. Steps you forget, remember? How many steps? First step, import. Second step, get the connection. Third step, create the cursor. Create the cursor. One line answer is up to 5th class. One line answer is 5th class. Up to 10th class, without grammar, talking in English. Intermediate, following some small grammar and speaking. Once engineering is completed, you are a professional. You need to speak good English. Good English means other person should not recognize mistakes in your English. Like that. We don't know English properly, right or not? Then we need to speak correctly where student can understand perfectly. Tell me. First step. Get the connection. Create the cursor. Design the query and execute the query. Process the query. Close the connection is optional. Closing the connection is optional because we have already seen in files by using open function, by using with open, auto closability property is there, and by default PDBC applications are auto closable. Okay, now no need to go for closing. If at all you are interested to close, con.close. What is con? Connection object dot close, you can say. Where I can close my resources? Finally block. Finally block is first purpose is what? It is used to relinquish the resources. My first sentence in finally block. Did you remember? That is closing the resource, closing the files, releasing the database connections. Already we said that. Okay? Now, let me start, students. Easy. Now follow me carefully. Here, cx underscore what? Or come on, now I will go for def. Come on, what is this? Insert record. Insert record. Why I am saying functions? Functions are going to be a reusable components in Python. Come on, students. Connection is equal to cx underscore oracle dot connect of username with system is called what? Password. What is the password, ma? Manager at the rate of what? Localhost /xp. XE. Don't modify that statement. You need to check your details and need to give it. Are you following? Okay. After that, what next? CUR is equal to CON dot cursor. Over the connection, we are creating what? Cursor object. On the top of connection, we will create a cursor. Okay, now? Right. Bus is there on the road. The road is there on the bus. So road is called a connection. Over the connection, there is a cursor object is there. Right. Don't tell that bus is there on the road is there on that, because student is very dangerous. Because they will take that non-technical example only in the awareness part. Because if I don't tell that awareness, you cannot catch my points. That's why general knowledge is required. It acts as a gum to paste the poster actually. So gum should not express in the interviews. Okay. Come on, students. Cursor. Now I need to design the query or not? What is my query? Insert query IQ is equal to, come on, ma. Insert into employee values. Come on. 30. And see how I am writing 30. Take the name called what? MC. And then say something like 2.6. And what is this? Pandas. See that? I am writing as it is. And say this. What is this now? Query. Which query? Whatever the query I wrote in the back end of Oracle, same query I wrote it here also. Same thing I wrote within the string data. See how simple, students. CUR dot what? Execute IQ. I am going to tell you 3 examples, 4 examples on this I will tell you, students. That's what I am giving. Insert record example1.py. I am going to explain 3 different examples on this area. Right. So, insert example 1, insert example 2, 3, 4, like that I will tell you. So that everything will be covered. Okay. Once this once this statement is executed, what is an output I got it, students, from my side of Oracle? 1 row created. Right? 1 row created. That means when my PVM is carrying this cursor, this IQ, it will go from which side? Python program, it will go to which environment? Oracle environment. It will receive this query by Oracle engine. Oracle engine we can call. There also, how Oracle query will execute, you tell me? How your Oracle query will execute? Internally, what is the query execution? Don't know. But Oracle we know. How Python program will execute? Source code, submit it to Python compiler, generate the intermediate code understandable by PVM, generate the machine understandable code, understandable by OS, and processor, executes, and result will be given. How Oracle query will execute? Don't know. Virtual machine. That is called OVM. Well, if we say that I am getting much tension, you know, they don't know how student will enjoy by seeing the result. I don't want to enjoy the result. I want to know what is happening inside. You are not a small kid student. What is happening inside? Who will compile my query? Who will parse my query? Who will execute my query? What is the architecture of Oracle? You learn it. Otherwise, what you will do? Are you data entry operator? No. How Oracle query will execute? What is the internal parsing? Execution. Who will do that? Tokenizing. What is this? Mind blank. Come to the point. Now, online students, are you okay? Cursor dot execute. When it goes to where? Oracle engine will be there. Oracle compiler will not be there. Oracle engine will be there. I don't mind to explain the internal architecture of Oracle. You type in the Google Oracle query execution phases. Mind blowing will come. That is what you have to learn. So, if this Oracle engine will execute your query, Oracle engine will tell to cursor, cursor, I executed your query. It is success. One row, one number one will be kept. You please tell to your Python programmer, one row is inserted, you tell, and cursor will carry what here? Cursor will carry what? 1. What Python has to do? Get the status of CUR. What is there inside the CUR? 1 is there. What is that 1? What does that 1 indicate? 1 row created. To get that 1 in Python, in cursor object, there is one attribute is there. In cursor object, there is one attribute is there. That is called what? That is called row count. What is that attribute called? Row count. What is an attribute name? Which is present in which object? How do you call it? CUR dot row count. Row count. Like you already forget attribute. I know, by seeing your face I can understand. I will take basic example. 2 plus 3j. What is A? What is A? Complex object. How do you get this 2? What is 2? What is 3? How do you get this real part? A dot real IMAG. What is real and IMAG? Attributes of which object? Complex object. Same manner, what is a complex object? What is CUR? Cursor object. What is row count? Attribute of which object? That's all. Already attribute terminology we already start in your LKG level only. LKG level only I plant that plants because I know already what will come. First day what I taught, I will connect to last day also I will connect to that. That is called a subject. When they teach the subject perfectly, any day you can connect to any topic. Understand? Fine. After that, now I am writing C. I will write it. Here I can write one message. What is that? Record inserted successfully. I am writing record inserted successfully. So, okay. Record inserted successfully. Want to print it. Actually, record inserted successfully is enough. Okay. After a few minutes, I will write it. Now I will write what block? Try block. Why try block? To make my application to be robust. Robustness is important. Driving the bike is important. Wearing helmet, keeping mask, everything is ready. So robustness you have to provide by yourself. So I will write it. What is this now? Except. What is that? I forget. Underscore dot what? Database error. Yes. DB. Not only DB. You can take any name, you can take it. Print of what? Problem in DB. What problem will come, you tell me in this case? If you are perfect student, you tell me. When I am inserting 10 here, already my Oracle is containing 10. Another 10 I am placing. Primary key rule. I will tell the exact error messages of Oracle also, even though I am a Java and Python faculty. Exact error message of what Oracle will give you. You can understand how we worked on Oracle also. So violation of Oracle. Here it is going to be called what? Here it is going to be containing ENO is called primary key we made or not. So coming to that, I will show you that part also. Right now execute. Now main program I am going to say. Main program also I am going to say. Coming to the point back. Insert record off. Say. Come on now. Execute. Don't try to execute your Python program in SQL prompt. Right? Go to where? Command prompt. Go to command prompt. D:, KVR Python here, 6 p.m. So say here, what is this now? Python with Oracle. PY. Now I'm going to say, what is my program name, students? PY. My program name is what here? Go to this window once and say, insert this place. You see, you'll get exception now itself. Right or not? exception will come. Why? 10 was already there. You will get, see that carefully. What happens? Some indentation. See, one small gap is there. Small gap. Did you observe? If you don't practice now, you will not understand the gap also. Microscope you need to take. Microscope also will take, you will not find. So the gap you should not give it. Execute students now. You see what is the error? Please read out. Problem in DB. Warrior 001. Unique constraint violated. Violation is done. Which constraint? Unique constraint. Because you are having what? Duplicate value. This is called Oracle related error. Warrior messages I am capturing with Python exceptions. Go there and I will write what? 30. Save your code, run the code. Record inserted successfully. Go to the Oracle. See students, 30. What is happening? This 30 not inserted. 30 not inserted. Don't feel that. I will tell you that. Oracle message is given. My Python is saying that inserted, but it is not inserted. The main reason is what? You did not commit in Oracle side. Once you insert the record through Python program, in where you are getting the message, but that record is not inserted now. In Oracle also when you inserted, it is marked for insertion but not made as permanent. After executing the query, you tell, you insert permanently. Come on, there is a function called what? Commit. Commit is the keyword there in Oracle. It is a command in it function. That function present in where? Connection. That I will come to you. That function present in where? Connection object. Connection dot what? Commit. CON dot commit. Over the connection you need to commit the transaction. Now you execute. Cursor dot commit. No, Srinu. Generally people will think that cursor dot commit. No. Connection dot commit. Execute your Python program now. See student, record inserted successfully. Go to your Oracle now. See, beautiful insertion is done now. 30. Done or not? Easy or difficult? See? Easy. Next, one more time you execute, you will get exception. Why? Yes, 30 is already there. Execute once again. See that exception is coming. You play it. Go now. Once again go. Last and final. 40. DR and something like 1.6. Now I am saying C language or Bell Labs. Execute. You execute. Inserted successfully. And go to this place. See, inserted successfully. 40 RC. And one more time here. I want to print. One. Come on, empty. Dot format of CUR dot row count. Row count is an attribute in where? Cursor object. Yes, ma. Srinivas Reddy. You please hold on. Because V Srinu doubt is this. Because he was already excited. V Srinu doubt and Srinivas Reddy's doubt is that. Can we take input? Example 1, insert example 2. I said now 4 examples I will tell you. Don't excite. Srinivas Reddy. Don't excite. I will come to that. Okay. Don't excite. Because my classes will give you always excitement for you. What next? I'll give you. Don't worry about it. Slowly, one by one. So, row count will give you what? 1. How many records inserted? That will come. 1 record inserted. In this place, what is substituted? 1. Last and finally you execute. 50. Now I am taking something like RT, something like 6.7. Now I am saying something like TCS. You execute it. See, my dear student, what is coming? Something is missing. Okay. Bracket is missing. One more bracket is missing. Yeah. Execute. See, students, what is happening? One record inserted successfully. What is that one? Cursor dot row count. Understand? Easy or difficult? Easy. Right. This is which data I am going to. Every time I am coming, changing my data and executing. I don't want. I want what logic? Dynamism I want. Dynamism I want. Dynamism means what? I need to read employee number, employee name, salary designation from keyboard. Shall I go to that? Go. Now I am going to take it. Shall I take this code with your permission? So I will take, not everything I will take, certain code I will take it. Up to where I am taking, up to here I will take it. This is common now. Okay. Now see this now. 2.py. Inserting the records in employee table by reading employee values from keyboard. Srinivas Reddy, your logic is coming. Your logic is coming. Right. After that, Srinu logic will come. Srinu logic. Because, come to the point of it. Insert example 2. Insert example 2. What is this now? Connection is same. What is next? Cursor is same. Come on, go. Accept. Which data? Accept. Which values? Employee values. Come on, students. ENO is equal to EMP-NO is equal to, it is a local variable. After all, local variable. Come on here. Int of, input of, come on. Enter. Employee. Employee number. Employee number. Okay. Next is called what? E-name. Don't think that these local variables and then your column names of database must be same. Maybe same, maybe different. There is no relation with the column names and what? These local variables. Anything you can take it. What is this now? Input of. What is this now? Enter. Enter employee name. Enter. What is this now? Float. Input of. Come on, students. Enter employee salary. Enter employee salary. Next is called what? C name. Input of. Enter. Come on. Employee. Employee company. Employee company name. Company name. Okay. Now I am going to get it. Okay. How many values are ready? 4. 4 columns are there or not? 4 values, right? Design the query. Design the query. Design and execute the query. Design and execute the query. Design and execute the query. Come on, sir. Create. Dynamic query is equal to dynamic query. Preparing something different. Insert into employee values. Here I will go to long. Once upon a time, there was a print statement. Print. Syntax number 4. Syntax number 5. Percentage D, percentage F, percentages. Why I said long ago? For this purpose. That day I told you this syntax is useful for me here. You already forget, correct? Forget. Yeah. So of forget, of remembering. That is called of knowledge is more dangerous. That's why I can't believe your talent. I'll go to my place. Go to the place once. Go to Python environment. See, these are all the difficulties for the school faculties. Okay. If you remember everything now, it is just like driving like a powerful car. Okay. Start. SNO is equal to 10. SNO is equal to 10. SName is equal to something like ROSUM. I want to print my output. My number is 10 and my name is what? ROSUM. I want to print. Come on, fast. Come on. My number is percentage D and name is percentage S. Percent of SNO, comma, S name. What a beautiful subject. SMO, that is. Okay. SMO. By mistake, I gave SMO. Output is coming or not? Don't worry. SMO is one variable name I am taking. Output is coming or not? What is this? Is called a dynamic substitution. Shall I open that? Print statement? No, sir. Don't open, sir. If you open again, we need to feel, sir. I will definitely open because I want to make you to realize. Realization is important for you. So go to display data, print, I will open it because I want to show your things. Even though I covered, I am covering once again. Number 5, syntax number 5. Still I am remembering in which syntax I covered. With the format specifier. See that percentage D, percentage S. If anything does not contain format specifier, please convert into which type? STR type I set. See the examples. 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 Covered. You want a date also? Sir, by showing all these things, you are indirectly saying something to us. Yes, I want to tell you that only. I want to make you to realize. Okay. Anyhow, coming to the point back. Coming to the point back. See that 22, 11, 740. I said this. 22, 11 I said. Are you remembering? Now you are remembering. Yeah, short thought, but it is out of the brain. No problem. Still time is there. Read that. Start. Come on, start. How many values? Yeah. So, untruly Sandeep is realized. Okay. Insert into employee values. Tell me, what is this? See how to prepare it. What is ENO type? Number type. In Python, what type? Int type. What is the int format specifier? Percentage D. If any other thing does not contain the format specifier, convert into which type? STR type. Take in Oracle side as varchar 2. Understand? Fine. Come on. Next, comma. E name. Percentage. Yes, good. But percentage S is what type? STR type. STR type must be written in single code or not? Yes. Single code concept also I told you. Single code concept also I told you. Single code concept, display data. Display data. You see, I said that day here, I said syntax number 5. Syntax number 5. You see here, somewhere else. See here I said. Within the single quotes also I said. My roll number is 10 and my name is Rosam within the single quote. Why I said the single quote? Today you need to understand. Last year I said, why? This year you will get this. I know that because I have a long projection is there. That's why every topic will be covered in depth. Suppose if I skip off that, today I won't tell these examples. Why I am boldly say these examples? Because I already taught to you. What is the proof? I am showing. That is called subject delivery in the class. Okay. Come on to the point. What I will write it. Come on. Single quotes. Why? Oracle data will be within. Come on. Next what? Percentage F. Come on. Next company name is what? Percentage S. Come on. Close it. That's all. That is called query preparation. Execute. Come on now execute. CUR dot what? Execute of DQ percent of. Ask the data. What is my data? MPNO, comma, E name, comma, sal, comma, C name. What a beautiful subject. Or you can write simply, you take this entire thing, you say here, in place of DQ, what I can write it? This entire thing you pass it. How beautiful subject it is. In place of DQ, you pass everything. See, insert into employee, percentage this, the closing and space and then writing this entire thing or not? Closing. Finished. Double quote started here, everything is done. Next program I will remove the, directly I will write the code. Tell me, execute. Once it is executed, what should I do? CON dot what? Commit off. And I say, what is this now? See that is. I will write percentage D, record, record, insert fully, successfully. What is this? Percent of, CUR dot, row count of, see, row count of, not necessary. Earlier I used what? Previous program, I said empty curly brace and format function. Today I am using what? Percentage D, record inserted. Percentage D, employee record, inserted successfully, execute. Line number 12, what is the problem now? One extra bracket is there. 18th line, one more. Okay, no problem. Space is not a problem. Space is not a problem. You can write directly also, no issue. Okay, now start executing. And some exception will come because of intent float and all those things. Some exception will come or not? Which exception will come? Not remembering. Value error will come. Value error. I can handle that value error also or not? Except, what is this? Value error. Value error. Value error. Say what? Print. Don't enter. Don't enter. What? Don't enter. ALNUMs, comma what? STRs and then symbols. Symbols for EMPNO and what? Sal. And what? Salary. And salary. Suppose in except, one more exception is coming. There I will write again what? Try and except block I can write it. Are you following? Then see. If any more exception is coming, which I don't know, in the future it is going to come, what I will write it? Except, come on, what is this? You are remembering that. You are remembering this. Oops, something went wrong. You are remembering, I know, nicely you are remembering that. Whatever is useless, we will remember that only. Including me also when we were students, we will remember that only. Natural. If some charity is going on the road, nobody will look into that. If something is going on, some fighting, everybody will stop the bikes and observe there only. Natural that is. Not natural. That's why. Oops, something went wrong. Something went wrong. This is necessary to write it, students, because I already advised you how to write this. Save this now. Go to that now. Insert it. Srinivas Reddy. Now see. Got it. Go to the place. Go to the place. Come on now. PY. Insert example. Employee number. I say what? I did not remember what records are there. Some number I will enter 60. I will say something like Ramesh, and the salary is called 2.3 and the company name is called Wipro. What is happening? One record inserted successfully. Go to the place, this place, and see this now, students. Oracle place, select star from. Ramesh is inserted or not? Yes. Are you following? Next, I'll go to, once again I need to run this. Shall I run? Insert. I'll say something like 70, something like we know Joseph is one of our online student. Joseph, salary is called 3.4 and next is called TCS. Now say that one record inserted successfully. What is happening here? Go to the place and see that Joseph is inserted. 70 is inserted. Are you following me? Now go to the next one. I will run it. See, every time I am running. Next time you run it, enter the number. I am entering something like 80x. 80x. Immediately exception will come. Value error. Because during the code, every time you must be careful enough you are coding ma. When you are accepting the number, 8 cannot be converted into what? Integer. Straightforward it will come out of what? PVM comes out of that. Not matching here. It will come to value error. It will give you this message. See this, students. See this now. You see this now. It is giving an error. Don't enter ALNUMs, STR symbols for employee number and salary. How beautiful it is. Enter this now 80. Something like name is called some ABC. Enter the salary 1.3 ABC. And see that exception is coming. Immediately exception is coming. What a beautiful code. Go to that place, enter the employee number 80, 80. Next is called Vinod. Vinod, one of the online student. Vinod. Next is called salary is called something like 2.3 and the company name is called HCL. I'm going to give you one record is inserted successfully. Go to the place here students and observe it. Vinod is inserted. Are you able to follow? Easy or difficult? Easy, right? Go to this place. And this is called one type of thing. Srinivas Reddy. Srinivas Reddy. Okay, dead easy. Now is your doubt is clarified? Is your doubt is clarified? Yes, good. Clarified. Now it is clarified. Clarified. Next I'm going to insert. So now we Srinu doubt. In insert query we are giving input manually. How to give dynamically? V Srinu, is it clarified your doubt also? V Srinu. Right, clarified. Okay, thank you, sir. Now I will to tell you beyond your scope. See, every time I am running my code by saying this like this, but I want to go for. Do you want to insert another record? Yes, repeat the loop. Do you want to insert another record? No, don't repeat the loop. You know that logic already. We already gave the type of logic for you in earlier case. Shall I go for it? I will take it. Where I will take it? While loop I will take it. Go to that place. Same code I will write it. See students how beautiful it is. Insert example 3.py. Go to this place. Say what now? That's all. Already you are so perfect in this. While true. With while true some logics I told you. Did you remember that? Yes. See students. Indentation also I adjusted. After this record is inserted, see my dear student, I am just saying this 50. Now I am saying CH is equal to input of. Do you want to insert another record? Do you want to insert another record? Yes or no? Yes or no? So what should I say? Yes or no? So say this now. Come on, mom. If CH dot what? Lower. If CH dot what? Lower is equal to what? No. Say what? Break. Are you okay? If you enter yes is equal to no. Repeat the loop. Are you following? Yes. How beautiful it is. Insert example 3. Save it. Insert example 3. Go to this. Now I will say PY 3. Enter employee number. Say something like 35. Satish Tenela. So I will write it. Satish I will write it. Next is called salary is called what? 3.5. And the company name is called what? CA. Now I said like this. One record inserted successfully. Do you want to insert another record? Yes. Do you want to insert another record? Yes. Next is called another number 45. I will say next is called one more student is called Ajit. I will take it. Ajit. By mistake I am entering A.5. Value error. See immediately. What is this? Don't enter alphanumeric. Enter the employee number because it is going to the loop. What a beautiful code. Ajit. Next is called something like 4.5. Enter the company name is called something like what PayPal. So I am writing here PayPal. So I am entering. One record inserted successfully. Yes. Go to the next is called what employee number is called 55. Employee name is called 55. I will take it next. One more type of thing. Something like Sandeep I am writing. And say something like 2.3. And the company name is called something like something like TCS I am writing. See that one record inserted. I will say no. What is happening? Coming out of it. Are you able to follow? See how many records are available? Mohan say, beautiful, huh? Good. Go to that. Say this, select star from employee. All the people names are there. Joseph, Vinod, Satish, Ajit, Santosh, everything is inserted or not? Easy or difficult? Easy. So come on, view your coding. Insert example to manual insertion. Insert example to with a dynamic insertion with no repetition. Next is called a dynamic insertion with what? Repetition with format specifiers. Are you able to follow? So, my dear student, Lalit is asking one question. How to increment the employee number by 1 is asking the question. This is, if you go to one example, this is related to your Oracle related kind of query. Oracle related query, I will show you. See, select max of what? EMPNO. Actually, I am not giving any order of this. I am not giving any order of employee number. No, employee 2, 3, 4, I am not giving like that. I am not giving. Lalit question is, you are going to a State Bank of India to open an account, ma. What is your account number? What is the account number? Is that bank employee will go to the database, verify the account number and will give the next number? No. Automatically one account number will come. That account number is called what? Previous account number, yesterday's account number, what is the maximum value? +1 is added. That is called the next account number or not? So, max of ENO from where actually in Oracle there are group by functions are there. Group functions are there. Max of, min of, sum of, count of, some functions are there. Oracle people are not looking confidently. Sorry saying something. Max of, min of, something is there. Sum of, like that. Max of ENO from where? Employee. What is the maximum number? Lalit, please, aggregate functions, correct. I will say what now? What I will say now? +1 I will say. What is the number? If 81 is there, 81 plus 1, 82, 82 plus 3, 83, like that. That's what. Anything comes, we have tried the coding for that. That is called subject. Hey doctor, any patient comes, problem, okay, take this tablet, tomorrow you are okay. If the doctor don't know the tablet name, he will say go to the other doctor. And he himself is accepting that you don't know the subject. That's why subject is power. That is your asset. Once the subject is there, your package is very high. When your package is very high, you are having luxurious life. Correct or not? That's what. That's why in small days only, in your younger age only, you increase your subject. When you get 50 years, you are comfortable in the life. Still 40 years, 50, 35 years, you are going on struggling with your career. It's difficult. That's why settle your life in the younger age only. Understand? When you get to 50 years, morning walk, evening walk, in meditation, all those things. Still if you do 50 years struggling means what? When do you do meditation, all those things? That's why increase your subject. What is the secret of getting subject? Reading, practicing. That's all. Finished. Oh, yes, ma. Rahul, yes, correct. Now go to the back now. Are you understanding now? What is this operation called? Insert. Next I will go for which operation? Deleting. Can I delete? Right. This is insertion is clear. All the students who asked this doubt. My dear students who are in online, can you please confirm once? Is it clear about the subject of insertion? Please confirm everybody. All the students I am asking. Good. Confirm everybody. Now I am going for which one? Delete operation I am going to do. Delete operation I want to do. Shall I go for delete now? Yes. Now see. Yesterday some student asked how to insert multiple records, sir. Is it understandable or not? Inserting again and again. Inserted or not? Yes. I told that day. So you are having 100 years. So the moment I said that out, you are coming across. You only asked about that Vasu, correct? Yes. So, okay. Melrose Dixon is saying, obviously, it is not easy to stop telling us is easy. Good. Coming to the point of it. Vasu, am I correct? Yes. Vasu said that, yes, sir. Now, is your doubt is clarified? Good. Shall I go to move forward? Yes. Now, correct. Now I'm going to enter into the delete operation. What is meant by deleting the data, the record from the data table? I want to close my account. Closing the account is nothing but what? Delete. How do you delete? Easy. Come on. Delete from, delete from, delete is a keyword, is a query from which table? Employee. Delete from employee. There are two syntaxes are there. Actually, I can tell you 4 or 5 syntaxes for it to go. I'll tell you 2 syntaxes. It is enough. It is enough. Okay. Delete from employee. Say this semicolon. How many records are there with me? All 11 records will be removed. 11 rows deleted. What is that 11? Cursor dot row count. One record, one row created. What is that one? Row count. 11 rows deleted. What is that 11? I will tell you that. I am coming to Oracle level now. Okay, students. Now select star from employee, no data present. But do you feel that they are removed permanently? No. It is marked for deletion. Spell out. Can I get it back? How? Very good. Roll back. Roll back. Say. Roll back complete. Say select star from employee. I am getting back once again. How to delete? This is called deleting all the records at a time. Now I want to delete a particular record. I want to delete that record whose salary less than 3 lakhs. Company want to remove, unable to pay the more and more salaries, want to remove the employees who are drawing more than 3 lakhs. Remove. How do you remove? Condition is required. Condition is there. Come on, students. Delete from employee where. How simple Oracle to learn it. What you learned the Oracle queries is only 25%. 75% you need to understand internally what is happening. Database designing you need to learn. Tables designing you need to learn. That is called subject of Oracle. Delete from employee where. Come on. Sal. My column name Sal. Sal greater than 3.0. Who are the people having? How the query will. And if I take any student, they don't know how exactly query will execute. It will execute repeatedly. First record will be selected. 4.5 greater than 3.0. Yes, removed. Next 2.5 greater than 3.0. No, not removed. 3.6 removed. Not removed. Removed. Not removed. Removed. Not removed. 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 2.3 not removed. How many rows? See that. Don't worry about it. 5 rows deleted. 6 or 5? 6 rows deleted. Select. See that. Select star from. Only these rows are there. Are you following? It is with condition I deleted. Conditional based removal. Total records based removal. Understand my point? Easy or difficult? Easy. Now, is that 6 rows deleted is marked for deletion or permanently removed? Marked for deletion. Can I get it back? Yes. How do you get it? Yes. Roll back. Get the record back. Getting back. Now I want to delete one record. I want to delete the record based on employee number. Come on. The Roshan is there, who is working in 4 companies by having proxies, many people, and I want to remove that guy. How do you remove? Come on, fast. Delete. Delete from. What is the table name? Where ENO is equal to what? 10. 10 means what? Only one record will be removed at a time. What is the row count here? One record deleted. Say, select star from employee. 10. Removed or not? Now I will remove permanently. I'll say what here? Commit. Say, roll back you say. Select star from. Still, you say roll back once. See, still that will not come. Because I already committed or not. So how many ways are there to delete my records? 2 ways. One is all records, conditional based records. Conditional based, all records. Can I go for the coding? Students in online, my dear students, did you understand, my dear students, this logic? Logic, students, easy, deleting. I worked with what? Back-end level. I want to do the same operation by using what? Python program. Open the notes, write a Python program, write a Python program, write a Python program which will remove, which will delete you, right? Which will delete employee record based on employee number, based on okay, no? Yes. Employee number I can give in how many ways? Two ways. One is manual I can give, dynamical I can give. Yes or no? Yes. Let me go for manual, I will show you. Dynamical I will show you. So I will carry this code, only coding I will take it. And if you are comfortable with this coding, even I will copy. Deleting a record. Program for deleting a record. Deleting record. In which table? In which table? Deleting record. In employee table, in Oracle, by reading employee number from, or I can say, based on what? Employee number. Simple, students. Based on employee number. Okay. Now I will go for what? Delete record example 1. Delete record example 1. So I am going to take it delete record example 1.py. What is common? Importing same. Easily. Okay. Now please look into that. Here I will take this example. Small example I will take it. Don't worry. I am taking, don't feel that. Now I am going to write it delete record. Delete record. So cursor is same and I will take my function call as usual, same, students. Okay. I am writing here. Okay. Connection is same. Cursor is same. Now please write it now. Can I write directly? Okay. Now DQ. Delete query is equal to, yes, I forget. Delete from employee where ENO is equal to. ENO you need to write carefully. This column name you need to write compulsory. If you write EMPNO, you will get error. Understand? ENO is equal to 10, I am saying. Do you have 10 there? Do you have 10? No. Yes. Look at. I will do that. Delete from. Already there is no 10. 10 was already removed. Now if I say 10, you will get what? 0 rows deleted. Spell out. See. 0 rows deleted. What is this 0 present in? Row count. 1 row deleted. Row count. 6 rows deleted. Where is that 0, 1, 6 present in? Row count. Tell me whether record is there or not. How do you know? If row count is equal to 0, no record exists. If row count greater than 0, record deleted. Come on. Understand or not? Yes. Come on, students. I say commit. Here I will write one beautiful logic. I will write it. Tell me, students, if row count, if cursor dot, what is this now? Row count is equal to what? 0. What I will say? Print off. What is this? Exist. Record does not exist. Come on, what is this? Else. What I will say? Print off. What is this? Record. Deleted. What is this? Successfully. Dot format of. CUR dot. Row count of. Row count is not a function. Row count is an attribute. So you will write like this and you will struggle. You will say, sir, I am working from 3 hours onwards, sir, I am not getting, sir. Don't work for 3 hours. 1 minute you work. You will get error. Read the notes. On the same thing, if you see 20 hours also, no use at all. It is called what? Attribute. It is not a function. Shall I run my code? Now in this case, do you have 10 in my employee table? What is the row count here? 0 is equal to 0. What is that? That's all. Go for that. Go for that. See student, execute this program now. Execute this program. What ma? Line number? Okay. Line number 9. Okay. DQ. DQ. Otherwise you will get which error? If I write IQ, what error will come? Huh? What error will come? Name error will come. Because IQ is not a variable now. So you will get a DQ you need to say. Okay. DQ. Okay. Now you see students. Execute now students. Enter. Directly record does not exist. Now I'll go to my program. What is my table record? 20 I will remove. Or I will remove 40. 40 I will remove. Go to my program. I will write what here? 40. 40 is there or not there? What is the row count at that time? 1. 1 is equal to 0. False means what? 1 record deleted. Why only 1 record? Because I am passing primary key. Primary key means unique value. Execute it. See that 1 record deleted successfully. Go to the Oracle now. How many rows are already there? If 40 was removed, right or not? Select star from 9 are there. 40 is not there, right or not? 40 was there here before 50. It was not there. Removed. Easy or difficult? Easy. Directly I will go to next. Direct attack. Go to this place. Dynamically I will go for it. Dynamically I will take it. Dynamically. Go to this place. Immediately I will write it. What I will do? Come on. I will take it. Accept what? Accept the employee EMP number. From where? Keyboard. Tell me. EMPNO is equal to int of input of enter number. Enter employee number. Say directly ENO. Can I write direct query here, students? Can you understand me? Tell me. Come on, students. Delete from employee where ENO is equal to percentage D of percent of EMPNO. Finished. Enter delete from employee where ENO is equal to percentage D percent of EMPNO. I am designing the query. I am passing the dynamic values. I am executing. I am committing. If it is equal to 0, record does not exist. Otherwise it is saying what? Record deleted successfully. Understand? Well, if this is existing, there is a chance of getting what? Value error will come. Value error will come or not? I will take this kind of thing once again into this. That standard I will carry. Value error is coming. Don't enter alphanumerics and everything for what? Employee number. Value error. And your favorite except block is also there. Oops, something went wrong. So, here, I will write one type of while loop, students. While loop, I will write it. While. What I am writing? True I am writing. While true I am writing. Why while true? To delete the record continuously as you are interested in. So say this print of, say something like 50. CH is equal to some choice you are taking. Input of enter what? Do you want to delete? Do you want to delete? What is this? Another record. Yes or no? Yes or no? You are saying that. If ch dot what? Lower of is equal to what? No. I say what? Print off. I say \n. Thanks for using this program. Thanks for using this program. So I am writing this. And say what here? Break out. See, simple. If it is this, it is going to be continuously coming. Delete record example2.py. Go to the students. Right. So something is raising. Somebody is saying, Shekhar, indentation error in exception block. Where is it, ma? Which line? This, line number 25, student. Okay. So Shekhar will write imposition now. Shekhar will write imposition. Right. PY, delete example2. Enter employee number. Shekhar will write imposition now. So go to the place. I will remove 20. 20. Say 20. Now 20. One record deleted successfully. Now I will say yes. Yes. Enter the employee number. I will say 27 related thing I will enter. Value error 25, etc. 25 related I will explain. Enter the employee number. I say enter the employee number. Where is it? So here. Enter the employee number. So 34 or something like what is my number there? 30. 30. Of course, you check it whether removed or not. 20 removed or not? 30. Now I will say 30 ABC. 30 ABC. Don't enter alphanumerics, STRs and symbol for employee number. So Shekhar will write imposition because one indent, one tab is enough. If you give 2 tabs, 3 tabs also, no problem. Minimum 1 tab I said or not? Shekhar, are you following me? Are you following me? Yes. Imposition, no. So say now here. Say now here. 123. Do you have 123 there? What is the row count? 0 is equal to 0. True. What is that? Record does not exist. Once again asking. Say record does not exist. Yes. 30. 30. Yes. One record deleted successfully. No, I will say. No means what? Thanks for using this program. Easy. Easy or difficult? Easy. Only easy or dead easy? Dead easy. Fine. So next is called what? Insert operation, delete operation is done. Please go to that. Now I will take the notes. Notes time, time to see the notes. Coming to this, 6 p.m. Python with Oracle. Go to the notes. DML operations I will do. DML operation. One more is there. Update is also there that you can understand very easily. Please go through that. Come on, everybody, start reading. After explaining, I am showing the documentation. Come on. The purpose of DML operation, that is the data manipulation language, your favorite answer. DML queries is that to insert records, to delete records and update records of any table. DML queries are classified into 3 types. They are insert, delete, update. After performing any DML operation through Python program, we must commit the database by using commit of, and to roll back by using what? Present in where? Connection object. Commit and rollback are present in where? Because by mistake you may think that a cursor dot commit, error. Okay. Now, so Sushma, any version you can install, ma. Any version you can install, no issue at all. Go to next what? Insert. Insert. See how simple it is. How simple it is. Start. Insert. This query is used for inserting records in where? Table. Insert into table, table name, values. Value 1 for column 1, value 2 for column 2, value n for column n. I can enter limited values for limited columns also. There are other syntaxes of insert is also there. I am not going to enter into Oracle course. If I go to Oracle course, problem will come again. I am not going to that. I am not touching that. Insert into employee values and etc. Next. Next, one more thing I am going to insert. What is the next one? Table. Delete from table name, complete records. Delete from table name where condition listed. Delete from employee, deletes all the records. See everything, spoon feeding notes. Next, delete from table name where employee number is equal to. Deletes a particular record of which table? Employee table. Update I am not explaining because I did not explain. Now I will not explain that. Today I will not explain. After explanation, I will show you that. You also don't read, but you will read. You will read that. Why? Sir said don't read, na? You will read that. What is there in that? You will always look for something what Sir said. Read means you will not read. If you say don't read means you will read compulsory. That's why I say don't read Python words. But you will not read. So decide what is good and bad. You follow that. Okay, students, did you understand up to today insert and delete? Tomorrow class when I come back, I will talk about what? Update. But I will I will upload these notes and tomorrow, students, Monday, tomorrow Sunday you enjoy, students. 6 days you read well, one day you enjoy like anything. Studies, what you will do by studying? Enjoy also important. 6 days you read enough. One Sunday you enjoy. But you will do what generally? 6 days enjoy, one day reading. That is the problem nowadays. Total reverse you will do, I know. Okay. So, tomorrow, Monday.